How to use Gamestop gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use your Gamestop gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, using a Gamestop gift card online is quite simple. Just go to gamestop.com and you will see this type of interface and log into your account. Then just add the products that you want to buy to your cards and then simply go to the card section. And now before you do this, you just need to go to the checkout process. So tap on the checkout button here. Now once you go to the checkout button, you will see this interface. Now here it will ask you to enter credit card number, debit card number, and so on. But if you have a gift card, then you'll also find the option to actually enter your gift card details. So in this case, the product that I'm selecting, it says gift card and trade-in credit cannot be used to purchase the gift card itself. But if you happen to have a gift card that you bought, then you can actually go ahead and then apply them right within this payment tab where you'll be able to add them. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use your Gamestop gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.